सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a visiting card design using Adobe Illustrator. So here you go with Adobe Illustrator. So I go to File menu and create a new file. The size of a visiting card is 3.5 inches into 2 inches. Press on create button. This is my size, basically 3.5 inches into 2 inches. My visiting card design, I make a rectangle. Stroke color is none. I want to put some gradient type of colors. So here I have a tool is called mesh tool. This is gradient mesh. So I click in here and I have a lasso tool. I select all these anchor points and change the color. Fine. Then I want make a logo here for my visiting card. So I'm going to make a logo. I make two circle and go to pathfinder and intersect them. So here is my shapes. Then I make a rectangle here. The color is black, stroke color is none. So what I do, I just go to pen tool and add anchor point. I add anchor point middle of the rectangle and I have a tool is called delete anchor point. I just delete these two anchor points. So here is my triangle type object. Then I just copy it and rotate 45 degree pressing shift key and scale down. Then I have a pen tool. In pen tool I have a add anchor point. I just click here, add anchor point here, add anchor point here and one anchor point here. I mean 3 anchor point. The middle anchor point, I just select the direct selection tool and select the middle anchor point and drag this to here. And when you drag in control panel, there is option is called convert selection anchor point to corner. I just click on it. It's look like a corner and select this one. This is also corner and here. And then I select all of these and group them. Control G for group and then drag here and I select the leaves and go to alignment. In alignment I select the artboard and I want to do it artboard. Okay, after that I just click on text tool and I go to character palette and change the font face into blacklist and just increase the size of the font and select here and change the color into white and click here and change the font face into robot and tracking will be 300 and change the color into white. I select all of these except the background one and press Ctrl G for group and scale down and go to alignment, right? So here is my front visiting card front design. I just add some social media icons here. So I just go to file and place some social media icons from internet. I need Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. This is my front page of my visiting card. Then I want to make a second page, I mean back page. So that's where I go to Windows and there is a artboard and here is the artboard. I just click on the artboard and make another artboard. So clicking here, make a new artboard. Just look at the logo of the artboard palettes. Then what I do, I just copy paste the background one here and I just copy paste the logo here. And what I do, I just edit my logo. So I just ungroup them and select the fonts and change the font color into black and I just select the leaves and I have a tool, it's called eyedrop tool. I just click on it and applying the same color here and I just select this one and go to mesh tool and just click here to make a mesh and change the color into and change the color here, right? And then I select all of these logo, Ctrl G for group and just place them center of the white one and just scale down the logo, right? Now I am making the back page. So here what to do, I just want to write some content like contact content like phone number, website and contact and I make a white color and opacity down to 60 is good. Then I copy paste and drag this to bottom of my font and change this one to, then I copy paste right? Then I select this one and this one, I both copy paste these things, right? And I select all of them except the BG one and make into center. So I just put the icons of phone number and www and contact. So we have a predefined symbols in Adobe Illustrator. We go to Windows menu, and Windows menu there are symbols library, and you click on the web icons. When I click on the web icons, there is a phone number is there, and there is a www is there, and there is a address is there. So I choose these three. So what I do, I just arrange them first, right? And then select all of them and go to object and expand them, I mean convert to shapes, and I change the color into white and stroke color is none, and I scale down them and just drag and drop here and just zoom the, okay? Then what I do, I just manually adjust them. This is also in center. So okay, so here I want to write down my phone number, so I go to text tool. So I just click in here and go to character palette and change the tracking into 0 and font Roboto regular. Okay, then I select this font and drag this font to top of here and scale down this fonts and change the font color into white color, and then copy paste this and copy paste this. I just copy paste all these fonts first, right? Then I go to text tool, I write here, fine. So I just write down all of these contents. So look guys, here is my design of a visiting card. So if you like our pages, so please go live and subscribe our channel.